Hello students, today in this session I am going to explain sums of 13G which are mainly based on sphere and hemisphere. Now what is a sphere? A sphere is a three-dimensional object and whose shape is something like this. This marble, cricket ball, football all are spheres. In case of a sphere, if I draw a sphere like this is one sphere and this is the central part which is like a circle. Here you can see this is the radius. Now in case of a sphere there is only one surface, so we can say the curved surface area which is equal to the total surface area which is equals to 4 pi r square. So total surface area and the curved surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square, just because only one surface is there, so the formula of both will be same, and the volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. If I divide this sphere into two parts, then we are going to get one hemisphere. In case of hemisphere, this part is the radius. Here, when we say curved surface area, only this part we have to consider. So curved surface area in case of hemisphere, it will be half of sphere, and in case of sphere we have written 4 pi r square. So in case of hemisphere, it will be 2 pi r square. When a sphere is divided into two parts, then we are going to get hemisphere. Here, the curved surface area will be half of sphere. In case of sphere, it is 4 pi r square, so it will be 2 pi r square. And here we are getting one extra surface. This is circular, and we know area of a circle is pi r square. So total surface area will be 2 pi r square plus pi r square, which will give 3 pi r square. And volume of hemisphere will be half of sphere, and volume of hemisphere we can write 2 by 3 pi r cube. With these formulas, now we can start sums of 13G. In 13G, first question is find the surface area of a sphere of radius 10.5 cm. So here radius equals to 10.5 cm. This can be written as 105 divided by 10 centimeters. After decimal 1 place, so I can write 105 by 10. If I cancel by 5, it will be 21 divided by 2 centimeters. So radius instead of 10.5, we can write 21 by 2 centimeter. Now we have to find the surface area. Since in case of a sphere, there is only one surface, so we can write total surface area of sphere. Formula is 4 pi r square. We can write 4 pi r square. Now 4. Instead of pi, we can write 22 divided by 7 r square. Radius is 21 by 2, so it will be 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. Now these 2 and 4 can be cancelled. It will be 2. These 2 and these 2 also can be cancelled. Again 7 3 are 21. So we are left with 3 into 22. It is 66 into 21, and 66 into 21 will give 1386 centimeter square. Therefore, total surface area of the sphere is 1386 centimeter square. In second part of question number 1, it is given that radius is 5 centimeter. Here surface area of the sphere formula is 4 pi r square. So it is 4 into 22 by 7 into 5 square. So it will be 4 into 22 by 7. We can write 5 into 5. 4 into 22, it will be 88 by 7 into 5 into 5, 25. If you multiply 88 by 25, it will be 2200 by 7. And if you divide, you are going to get 314.28 centimeter square. Therefore, required surface area of the sphere is 314.28 centimeter square. In first part of question number 2, it is given that find the surface area of a sphere whose diameter is 14 cm. Since diameter is 14 cm and radius is half of diameter, so it will be 14 by 2, 7 cm. Therefore, surface area of the sphere, it is 4 pi r square. So it will be 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. 1 7 we can cancel, so it will be 4 into 22, 88 into 7, which will give 616 centimeter square. Therefore, surface area of the sphere is 616 centimeter square. The second part of question number 2, it is just like first part of question number 1, because here diameter is 21, so radius will be 10.5. So since radius is 10.5, sum will be just like first part of 1, so I am not showing. Let me show question number 3. Here question is, find the curved surface area and the total surface area of a hemisphere of radius 10 cm, and here we have to use pi equals to 3.14. Here radius is 10 cm and we have to calculate the curved surface area of a hemisphere, which is 2 pi r square. 2 into pi is 3.14 as given in the question, into r is 10, so it will be 10 square. So 3.14 into 2, it will give 6.28 into 10 square is 100. 100 into 6.28, which will give 628 centimeter square. Now we have to calculate the total surface area of the hemisphere. Here formula is 3 pi r square. So 3 pi is 3.14 into r square is 100. 3 into 3.14 will give 9.42 into 10 square is 100. 9.42 into 100, it will become 942 centimeter square. Therefore, curved surface area of the hemisphere is 628 centimeter square and the total surface area of the hemisphere is 942 centimeter square. Question number 4, it is given that the surface area of a sphere is 5544 centimeter square. Find its diameter. Now, surface area of a sphere, it is given 5544 centimeter square, and we know in case of a sphere, total surface area is 4 pi r square. So 4 pi r square is 5544. So 4 into, instead of pi we can use 22 by 7 into r square is 5544. So r square will be 5544 into 7, and this 4 and 22 will come in the denominator. Now if I cancel by 11, 11 2 ja 22. If I cancel 5544 by 11, it will become 504. So r square will be 504 into 7 divided by 4 into 2. Again, if I cancel 504 by 4, it will become 126. And 126 if divided by 2, it will be 63. So r square will be 63 into 7. Now instead of 63, we can write 3 square into 7. So we are writing 63 equal to 3 square into 7, and this 7 I have written here. So r square equals to 7 into 7, 7 square into 3 square. So r will be root over 7 square into 3 square. So r will be square root of 7 square into 3 square. So r will be 7 into 3. 7 into 3 is 21. Therefore radius of the sphere is 21 centimeter. Now we have to find the diameter of the sphere, which is twice of radius. So it will be twice of 21, which will give 42 centimeter. Therefore required diameter of the sphere is 42 centimeter. In question number 5, it is given the diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 the diameter of the earth. Find the ratio of their surface areas. Here we can consider, let radius of the moon be r unit. If radius of the moon is r, then diameter of the moon will be twice of r. So we can write diameter of moon is twice of radius equal to twice r unit. Now in the question it is given that diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 the diameter of earth. So we can write diameter of earth equals to 4 times diameter of moon, and diameter of moon we got twice r, so 4 into twice r. Therefore radius of earth, it will be half of this, 4 into twice r divided by 2. 2 and 2 cancel, it will become 4r units. I hope this is clear. Suppose we can consider radius of the moon be r unit. If radius of the moon is r, so diameter of the moon will be twice r. Now in the question it is given that diameter of moon is 1/4 the diameter of earth. So diameter of earth will be this 4 into diameter of moon. Now diameter of moon already we got twice r, so it will be 4 into twice r. Therefore radius of the earth, it will be 4 into twice r divided by 2, which will give 4r. Now we have to calculate the ratio of the surface area of moon to the surface area of earth. We know surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. So for moon it will be 4 pi, radius we have considered r, so it will be r square by 4 pi. In case of earth, radius is 4r, so it will be 4r whole square. This 4 pi can be cancelled, so it will be r square divided by 16 r square. Again r square can be cancelled, so it will become 1 by 16. Therefore required ratio is 1:16. This is the required answer. Yes, this is the last sum as per your syllabus from 13G. So that's all for today. In the next video, I am going to show sums of 13H. Till then, bye bye, take care and wait for the next part.